Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to care of hands at home, easy method. Start by washing hands with lukewarm water and a gentle soap for 20 seconds. Pat dry gently and apply a hydrating cream while skin is damp to lock in moisture. Use sunscreen on hands daily and exfoliate once a week with a mild scrub. Wear gloves for chores and hydrate from the inside by drinking water. Keep nails healthy by trimming straight across and filing smooth edges. A gentle routine prevents breaks. Soak hands briefly in warm water, then softly push back cuticles and avoid cutting live skin. Use a rich cuticle cream or oil nightly and massage into nail beds to improve circulation. Wear protective gloves during cleaning and gardening to avoid harsh chemicals and abrasion that dry the skin and damage nails. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more helpful content. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. I like them for sticky lotions or creams after treatments. They keep things tidy in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Try simple home treatments to boost softness and repair. Exfoliate gently once a week to slough off rough patches and follow with a rich balm. For intense hydration, apply a thick cream or oil and sleep with cotton gloves to lock in moisture. Use a honey or yogurt mask for natural soothing when hands feel irritated. Keep treatments consistent and pair with sun protection for best results over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.